Rahat, and today I'm going to talk to you about my latest workout obsession. This twist board has been a great addition to my ab workout routine. It is a total game changer. Let me show you. Place this twister on an even surface and hop on top. This magnetic acupressure twist board combines the best of reflexology aerobic exercise. Simply stand on top and move your upper body from left to right while your feet stay fixed on the non-slip board. While the twisting exercise will work wonders for your abs and obliques, the textured magnetic board massages your feet, improving blood circulation, and is known to help with knee pain, backaches, headaches, etc. It does so by putting pressure on several different zones of your feet. This one is surely going to help you shed some excess weight and keep fit. This is a great way to keep fit. Don't miss out.
Fight lazy. Lifelong.